Hey there! Today I'd like to introduce you to ARTY. ARTY is a $99 Artix-7 35T FPGA evaluation kit. This kit is about sparking your imagination. It's also about low power utilization and cost reduction. ARTY is designed around the industry's best-in-class Artix-7 FPGA from Xilinx. This kit features an Artix-7 35T device with roughly 35,000 logic cells. This means there's plenty of space to implement an embedded application with the Xilinx MicroBlaze soft processor core and your custom peripheral set. You can target virtually any processor use case. With a 256 by 16 DDR3 low power memory, the ARTY evaluation kit enables a quick and easy jumpstart for embedded applications, ranging from compute-intensive Linux-based systems to lightweight microcontroller applications. ARTY is highly adaptable. In one application, it's a compute-intensive communication powerhouse, chock full of connectivity interfaces, like an Ethernet MAC, a UART, I2C, SPI, and any other number of GPIO interfaces. In another, it's a meticulous timekeeper with dozens of 32-bit timers. It isn't bound to the limited processor configurations or a single set of peripherals, unlike other solutions. You have a powerhouse of pre-built peripherals from the Xilinx IP Integrator tool library. Or if it's not what you want, you can build your own. You can add your own soft hardware to the logic inside the Artix-7 device. The Arduino Shield expansion port and the digital PMOD interfaces enable easy integration from the ARTY hardware to hundreds of interface boards, including sensors, data acquisition, conversion modules, external memory, and more, turning your creativity and imagination into reality. The ARTY kit includes a license to the Xilinx Vivado Design Edition tools. This license is a full-featured version of Vivado, but is device locked to the Artix-7 35T. The Vivado Design Suite accelerates integration of your embedded design with MicroBlaze. Vivado includes the IP Integrator, which lets you seamlessly add IP from an extensive peripheral library, or you can create your own. It also offers the industry's only free, full-featured simulation tool with mixed language support and no code line limits. You can go to xilinx.com/ARTY for instructions on redeeming this voucher, generating your Vivado license, and installing the Vivado tools. Let's power on ARTY. ARTY can be powered by the USB JTAG UART port or a 5-volt wall wart. Today I'm going to use the USB power because as part of this power on demo, we'll also be testing the UART. You'll need a standard USB-A to micro-B cable. It's not included. Sorry. Plug in the micro-B end to the JTAG UART port and then plug the other end into your PC. You should see the red power good LED light come on and then the configuration done LED light will light. The 4 push buttons will run the power on demo. This demo is a simple MicroBlaze implementation to read the switches, write to the LEDs, and report the status on the UART. The MSB or leftmost switch is push button switch number 3. It will initialize and reset the demo test. The LSB or rightmost switch is push button 0, and it will start the test that will light the monochromatic LEDs. Their brightness is driven by a PWM demo, and this is controlled by the slide switches. Press push button switch number 3 to reset the demo test, and then press push button switch 0. Then slide the LSB or rightmost slide switch on. You should see the 4 mono LEDs glow dimly. Slide the slide switch number 1, and then 2, and then 3, and you will see that the LEDs get even brighter. Press push button switch number 3 to reset the demo test. The push button switch number 1 will run a different RGB LED demo, where the RGB LEDs will simultaneously scroll through some of the RGB colors. The push button switch number 2 will run a different RGB LED demo, where the RGB LEDs will simultaneously scroll through some of the RGB colors. To see the UART test working, you will need to have already installed the Vivado tools. If you're following along, then you should take a moment to redeem your voucher, create a Vivado license, and install the tools. Follow the instructions on the card. As long as the Vivado tools are installed, the USB UART will be recognized when the board is plugged into the PC host. To see the UART communication, Xilinx recommends Teraterm, but any terminal program should work. Set up a serial terminal program, set it to 115200 baud, 8 data bits, no parity bit, and 1 stop bit. Select the COM port that's assigned. When ARTY is powered on, ARTY will transmit to the UART. In your TerraTerm window, you should see this menu. Now that we've got the UART connected up, you can see the menu that's being displayed in the TerraTerm. So if we press push button 3, it'll reset the test. If we push button 0, it'll start the PWM test. Then if you switch the slide switches, you'll see a dim lighting on the LEDs. And then if we continue to switch these, that will get brighter and brighter and brighter. Then we can reset the test, push button 3. If we go to push button 1, then this is just a Cylon going back and forth. We can reset that test. Push button 2 is just rotating through the RGB colors. So now you've met ARTY. If you're curious about Xilinx FPGAs, ARTY is for you. If you're a current Spartan 6 FPGA user and would like to start using the Artix-7 series FPGAs, ARTY is for you. If you are currently using Xilinx ISE tools and would like to learn and try the powerful new features of Vivado, like the IP integrator and the multi-language simulator, ARTY is for you. To get started, visit xilinx.com/ARTY to order your $99 ARTY development kit. There you will also find in-depth details on ARTY. You'll be able to download design resources, example projects, and tutorials. We'll have a MicroBlaze example showing Linux and FreeRTOS. There's an Ethernet LWIP web server and a bootloader example design. Additionally, you can see some more video tutorials. You'll also have an opportunity to sign up for ARTY training classes in your area. ARTY is a really cool evaluation platform. For only $99 and with hundreds of shields and PMODs available, you can learn something new and build something awesome. Go on, get curious, get your creativity on. Thank you.